Hi, my name is Tatum. I am 10 years old and I live in Kalinga, California. I like to cook because it brings me joy, it's fun, and you get to cook for your friends and family. That's why I want to do the kids cook-off. So for my dish, I'm going to make muffin tin lasagnas, and here are all my ingredients. I have pasta sauce, Italian cheese blend, ricotta cheese, eggs, Italian sausage, wonton wrappers, a muffin tin, and I might have some more ingredients. Now that I've prepared the muffin tins with olive oil, I'm going to put wonton wrappers on them. Now that I've prepared the muffin tin with the wonton wrappers, I'm going to make the cheese filling. I've already beat up the 2 eggs with a fork, and now I'm going to put ricotta cheese and the Italian cheese blend. And I need, because I'm doubling the recipe, instead of 1 cup and 1/4, I need to put 2 cups of Italian cheese blend and 2/4. Okay, so now that I have made the Italian sausage, prepared the Italian cheese blend, and have the pasta sauce, I'm going to put all these ingredients into the wonton muffins as layers like you would see in a lasagna. Now that I have done all the layers, I'm going to finish the toppings with a little sprinkle of cheese. And then after that, we were going to put it into the oven and start to cook it. Now after having the muffin tin lasagna in the oven for 20 minutes, we're going to gently take them out like this one and with a knife or a fork. It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it.